Well, here we are, friends. We are here at Dave's house, Mr. Hightower's house, and we are back at it again today. And Dave said, and I quote, "It's time for the finishing touches." Dave, what do you feel like's next, sir?
I wish it was paint, but we still have more prep work to do.
Yeah, well, that's the prep work makes the
paint look
prettier. So I think, Cole, no more of the sander. You're gonna have to do the rest of it by hand to make it nice and smooth. As Dave is fondling the fender.
It's amazing that there was this much damage, dents and dings and all that stuff in this fender well. This was the worst one.
So we have a storm coming, so we got about a 90% chance of rain here in about 30 minutes. So I think what we're gonna do is make a little assessment here, and then we are probably gonna go into the garage and work on Cole's transmission. Cole and Dave rebuilt the shifter, and that's ready to go. And now it's time to put the new nose cone on, the nose cone gasket. And so we have lots and lots of things we can do tonight, even if we're not able to work on the engine compartment. So let's begin. Well, folks, as we expected, the rain has come in and it is raining outside. So we got quite a bit of work done on Cole's car. So our plan B has come into action, and we are going to be replacing the nose cone in Cole's transmission. And Dave and Cole are getting that prepped and ready to go. That's the nose cone right there. And over here somewhere, Cole, grab it. It's right over there. Grab that nose cone. Nose cone's right there. That's the thing for it. And it's right there in that bag. And that's a brand new nose cone right there. So we are going to work on that now. Right, Dave?
Right.
All right, Dave, so what seal is that you just pulled the nut off of?
Transmission seal.
Rear transmission seal?
Yeah, I don't know what you call it.
So Dave pulled the nut off, and he's got a brand new one put in there, so we get no leaky.
Just have to find the right size screwdriver to pry it out. Or, in all,
There you go. Moved a little
Huh.
bit. Take a pair of
so I
pliers
guess
and pull it out.
I guess you don't.
There you go. There you go. There it is. And that is probably the original transmission seal.
Yeah.
Go, Dave.
Call Fred and see if you push this all the way in, or if you leave it right flush with the outside.
We're about to put the rear seal into the transmission, and before we do that, Dave's going to clean up the shaft to get off any of the old rust or whatnot that's on there. So it's nice and smooth. Smooth as a baby's bum. All right, so Cole's got his aircraft Permatex, and he's going to be applying that to the outside of the seal. And according to Mr. Fred, he's told us to do that, so good.
it's going to go to inside here. There we go.
So Cole's got the Permatex on the outside of the seal and then on the inside. And then Cole's going to go ahead and put it in.
Take some axle grease right there. You want to put that on the inside of the seal.
Beautiful. Got Cole. Whatever you don't use is just going to come out anyway, so we'll clean it up afterwards. Okay, this new seal is in. What do you think? Flush, Dave, right with the edge? I guess if it needs to go in any further, when you drive the nut in, it will line it up. Get your paper towel handy, Cole. So now Dave is going to grease the
tub of grease.
Yeah. The shaft. Oh, good. Screws on Cole. All right, so Dave has successfully replaced the rear seal on the transmission. Good job, Dave. Thank you.
Well, yeah, we'll find out if it was successful when if it doesn't leak.
So we got a brand new seal in the back and it's lubed up nicely, and now Cole is removing the nose cone. Okay, so Cole is removing the 4 bolts on the nose cone, and we will be replacing that. Okay, so I cleaned around the where the old seal was, got the old seal off. Dave has blown it out, or gasket, excuse me, gasket. Thank you, Dave. And Cole's cleaning it with some, what is he using, Dave? Some lacquer thinner to get it nice and clean. And then we are going to apply some of the Permatex to the gasket, and we will be tightening that up.
This is the wrong gasket. This has 3 holes. So that's 14.5. And right there, because your 15 is right there.
All right, so the spec says to torque the nose cone 14 to 16, so we're going to do 15 right in the middle, and Cole's going to set foot-pounds of torque.
And then you go to 0, and you're at 15, because 15 is marked. So just go around and tighten each one up just a little bit at a time. Once you get a click, I usually do it.
There you go.
Yeah, see it?
Hear that click?
Okay, go around to the other shell.
Yep. There you go, good. Got the click. There you go, good. Now go top left, good. There you go, good. Now go around one more time and just make sure it clicks.
Each line gets your click. Don't tighten any more than the click.
Good. You always do it one more time all the way around to get that click. There you go, good job.
Just want to go real slow. There you
Good job,
go.
Cole. Yay. Well, good job, buddy. Woo! All right, so Dave is applying the Permatex here to the shifter housing. Cole has already applied it to the transmission. He's got the seal, or excuse me, the gasket on there. And now we're just a matter of ready to marry it up together and tighten it down. And we are going to use 14 to 16 foot-pounds of torque, just like we did on the nose cone.
Is that paper towel with the lacquer thinner up there somewhere?
All right, cool. Chop, Cole. Chop, Cole. Cole's got it on there. And we're going to have to do a little cleaning there, but that's okay. That's a good problem. Good job, Cole. So proud of you, buddy. Okay, so Cole has successfully put on the shifter, and he has tightened the bolts to 15 foot-pounds of torque. So what have we done? We have done the rear seal here, and then Cole put on the nose cone with the new gasket and seal, and then the shifter with the gasket. What do you think about the job my son did? Pretty damn good, huh, Dave?
Yeah.
Almost as good as you, man.
That's how I learn.
That's right, baby. Good job, Cole. We're proud of you, buddy.